In some battles, the sky doesn't give you a second chance. Only a few seconds stand between the hunter and the target. A sharp sound approaches at terrifying speed. An unexpected movement, then an attack comes from an angle impossible to predict. This is not an ordinary attack helicopter. This is a machine designed to strike fast and disappear before the enemy can even react. But how can a single-seat helicopter become one of the most dangerous aerial attack platforms ever built? To answer that, we need to understand what makes the Kamov Ka-50 different from any other helicopter on the battlefield. The Ka-50 is a Russian attack helicopter developed to deliver high combat performance while relying on only one pilot, something extremely rare in this class of helicopters. It entered service as an advanced experimental platform, combining speed, maneuverability, and firepower in a single machine. It features an aggressive combat design and a unique coaxial rotor system with two counter-rotating rotors mounted above each other. This system gives the helicopter exceptional maneuverability and stability during combat, while also allowing rapid movement in multiple directions without the need for a traditional tail rotor. The Ka-50 can reach high speeds for an attack helicopter and perform sharp, low-altitude maneuvers, making it far more difficult to target during engagements. In terms of weaponry, it is equipped with a powerful 30mm cannon capable of delivering dense and highly accurate fire, in addition to guided anti-tank missiles and various other weapons that allow it to carry out precise strikes against different ground targets. It also features targeting and vision systems that help the pilot track targets and operate effectively in complex combat environments, along with an armored airframe that provides extra protection during dangerous missions. All of these capabilities made the Ka-50 one of the most unique attack helicopters ever designed, combining speed, power, and maneuverability into a single machine built for direct assault and rapid battlefield dominance. But in modern warfare, even the most dangerous machines can face moments that test their true limits.